In this video, we're going to look at the Malonic Ester synthesis. Let's jump right in. If you've not watched my previous video on the acetoacetic ester synthesis, you should pause, click on this link, and go watch it because it'll give you a great background for this video. Now, where does the name malonic ester come from? Dicarboxylic acids have their own common names. And the dicarboxylic acid that has a CH2 between the two carboxylic acid groups is called malonic acid. So malonic ester is the ester made from this. And I'll use ethyls, but any ester from malonic acid is called malonic ester. And we're going to use this to do some other reactions. So there are several steps involved. First, a base is added. Now, where is the most acidic protons on this compound? Of course, right between these two carbonyls. I'll deprotonate, leave those electrons behind. And you get that negative carbon. Then they can undergo an SN2 style reaction. Oh, let's pick one like propyl bromide. I can backside attack, electrons leave. So the propyl group now is on this carbon, 1, 2, 3. When acid and water is added, maybe some heat, I can hydrolyze this ester, or both esters, to carboxylic acids. Same steps as we saw previously in acetoacetic acid. Whoop, OH. Anytime I see a carboxylic acid and other carbonyls, I want to know, is this carboxylic acid alpha, beta to another carbonyl? And if it is, we're going to decarboxylate. Lose carbon dioxide. So I'm going to cover that up with my finger and I get this carboxylic acid. I cover this up and this hydrogen's now on that carbon and that is my final product. So let's look at where the pieces come from. The carbonyl, the carboxylic acid and that carbon come from this part. These three carbons come from these three carbons. So I have a carboxylic acid, I deprotonate, I add my propyl to that spot, I decarboxylate, pull off that carbon dioxide, and I get to my final product. Again, know that you deprotonate between two carbonyls. Know you can do an SN2 style reaction. Know that esters hydrolyze to carboxylic acids. And the big twist at the end, when you decarboxylate, how to get rid of that and draw your final product. Hey, please subscribe to the channel because I don't want you to miss any of my upcoming videos because I want to be able to help you with organic chemistry.